In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password. By the end, you'll know how to prevent accidental edits on a specific page and how to secure your entire Notion account so your notes stay private. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page you want to protect. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want to stop changes from happening. To prevent edits, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu where you control page settings. In that menu, choose Lock Page. Once locked, the page can't be edited until it's unlocked again. Think of this as closing a notebook so nothing gets changed by mistake. You'll see a small locked notice appear at the top of the page. If you ever need to make changes, just click that locked label to instantly unlock the page and resume editing. You can toggle this on and off anytime. Important note here, locking a page does not add a password to the page itself. It simply prevents edits. Now, to add actual password protection to your Notion experience, you'll secure your account. Open Notion settings by clicking your profile icon or using the left sidebar and selecting Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Account section. This is where Notion manages your login and security preferences. Look for the option that says Add Password. Click it, then create a strong, memorable password. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. When you're ready, click Set Password to save it. Here's why these two steps matter together. Locking the page prevents anyone, including you, from accidentally changing content. It's great when a page is finalized or you're sharing it for review. Setting a password on your account protects your entire Notion workspace, including all your pages, locked or not. Even if someone gets access to your device or browser, they'll still need your password to open Notion and see your notes. So, to recap the final result, you've locked your Notion page to stop unwanted edits, and you've secured your Notion account with a password for added protection. This combination gives you both control and privacy without complicating your workflow. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.